There was a time in the life of the Prophet ﷺ where he felt a level of sadness and despair, a level of distance from Allah, not because of his own fault, but because Allah did not give him any revelation for months and months and months on it. Imagine this is the man who used to live on the fruit and the nutrition of hearing the revelation of Allah, and suddenly it goes cold. For months he doesn't hear a single word. The level of despair and sadness cannot be described. To help the Prophet ﷺ in this situation, Allah revealed, وَالضُّحَى, I swear by the sun as it rises. وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا سَجَى, and I swear by the night as it envelops the day. مَا وَدَّعَكَ رَبُّكَ وَمَا قَلَى. O Muhammad ﷺ, don't think that your Lord has left you and abandoned. وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى, and the afterlife, wait for it, it will be better for you than this difficult life. وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَى, and Allah will give you what He promised, and you will feel content with His giving. أَلَمْ يَجِدْكَ يَتِيمًا فَآوَى. O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, didn't Allah find you an orphan and He looked after you? وَوَجَدَكَ ضَالًّا فَهَدَى, and He found you lost and He guided you. وَوَجَدَكَ عَائِلًا فَأَغْنَى, and He found you poor but He enriched you. فَأَمَّا الْيَتِيمَ فَلَا تَقْهَرْ, when you see an orphan, just like I looked after you, you look after them as well. وَأَمَّا السَّائِلَ فَلَا تَنْهَرْ, and just as I gave you, when someone comes to ask you for something, don't say no to them, give them. وَأَمَّا بِنِعْمَةِ رَبِّكَ فَحَدِّثْ, and as for the blessings of your Lord, the blessing of the Quran, the blessing of Islam, share this with others. Speak of it from the rooftops. O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, you may have been far from the Quran for so many months, but Allah has not left you. Maybe you left Him, but He has not left you. And Surah Al-Duha was the restarting of that engine of revelation. After all of that time away, and all of that distance, and all of that pain, this is the surah that revived the heart of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Surah Al-Duha. Don't underestimate this surah. This is the surah that if you recite it and reflect on it and think about it, and you pause on this ayah, مَا وَدَّعَكَ رَبُّكَ وَمَا قَلَى, Allah never left you. Every moment in your life, your heart beats. Every moment you breathe in and you breathe out. You eat, you sleep, you walk. Never for a second did Allah seize your organs. Did Allah stop your nervous system. He continues to look after you. He never left you. But we have left the remembrance of Allah.